This is 24-hour News 8 at noon on Wish TV, your 24-hour news source.
Forced to sell. That's the predicament some homeowners are finding themselves in because of high property taxes. We'll take a look at some other options.
Well, as you know, high property tax bills are hitting some homeowners especially hard. Judith Sturgis turned 70 in just a few months and has lived in her home for 25 years. It's this home that you're seeing here, and her home is paid for. But Judith can't afford her high property tax bill, a bill that doubled this year. Now her home is for sale, and her grown children are helping Judith make ends meet. Judith is an artist. Her house is her only investment. Her tax bill exceeds her Social Security payments. Her story is indicative of so many others. So what are Judith's options? And here to talk about these taxing times, managing your financial options, our resident financial guru, Peter Dunn. Peter, thank you so much for being with us. After we initially aired this story about Judith, I got so many phone calls, I got emails, and everybody was saying, what about a reverse mortgage? Has she considered this option? If you could talk about reverse mortgage and who that's appropriate for.
Reverse mortgage is a great tool for people that have most of their wealth built up inside of their home. It's for people that are 62 years old or older. If you're 62 or 61 or younger, can't do it.
Yeah.
And what it does is it reverses the process. You get a monthly payment from the government entity or whoever's doing the mortgage program. And then when you leave the house or when you pass away, then the money is paid back to the body that lets you have the money.
Gotcha. So this is something actually that your heirs may be paying for?
Your heirs out of your estate. Never can you actually owe more than what your house is worth. It will leave your heirs in a bit of a pinch because they're not going to get the money when you die.
Gotcha.
Because it'll go to pay off the loan.
The equity in the house is going to pay off the loan.
Absolutely.
Gotcha, gotcha. So this is something that you could consider then, because this is not something that you were going to have to pay off.
It's a great option, and it's specifically in reading about reverse mortgages, you'll find that it's meant for people with high property tax payments.
Wow.
So it is a tool for this, but it's not for everybody.
This sounds like it may be perfect for Judith, though.
It would be great.
So if you're younger than 62, haven't paid off the mortgage, what are some of your other options? How about installment plans?
Installment plans can be fine. You know, obviously the local government bodies are looking at some different structured payment plans, and those haven't been established just yet. But you can also look at home equity line in a real pinch. And younger income earning people can really look at trying to increase their income, be it overtime or doing a little better job of budgeting. I mean, it's taxes. You know, death and taxes are the certainties here. So this shouldn't surprise it shouldn't surprise us too much.
Yeah. Peter Dunn, thank you so much. We certainly appreciate it. We're going to talk a whole lot more about property taxes. Of course, you know about our special coming up on Wednesday. Sean Ash will be in with your forecast right after the break.